Hello, wonderful people out there. Hope you all are fine, safe, and healthy. Lockdown era. It was the most difficult phase for everyone. And guess who were the biggest victims? Parents. They are going through a very difficult phase. Parents want everything to be the best for their child. From eating to wearing, they want their child to be perfect. But do you know you are doing certain mistakes too? That is indirectly causing harm to your child's health. Like rewarding them with junk food for doing as said, not listening to their health concerns or too much concerned over health. According to WHO, 38 million children under the age of 5 are obese. Can you believe it? Obesity is just one of those problems. So don't skip the video and watch till the end as I'll be showing you some of the mistakes you do as parents. Not spending enough time with your kids. Have you noticed that mothers don't allow their kids to stay in the kitchen? You'll burn your hands, baby. Get out of the way. You want to avoid all those mishaps. But they want to spend some time with you. So, let them in. Involve them in your meal preparation. Show them how to prepare small dishes like salads and encourage them to get involved. They might get attracted with the colors and foods. Talk to them while chopping vegetables like carrots and give them a small piece to eat. This is increasing the conversation time with your little ones. Studies say that children involved in cooking will at least try the food. Kids are actually thirsty. Small children do not sit idle. They keep running, jumping, and work out as much as they want. They make sure that the house looks messy. This increases their quench for thirst, and nothing can replace them but plain water. So, do not encourage unnecessary habit of carbonated drinks. Do not mislead yourself that the child has health issues and electrolyte powder is gonna help it. Do not start with tea or coffee at a very young age. No. Opt for fresh juice or a fruit. Keep cold milk and treat it with some vanilla or strawberry extract. Always keep alternatives. Draw a line for unhealthy eating practices. We know that children are fussy eaters. They are exposed to colorful and packaged foods. They are prone to various unhealthy practices. They want to eat whatever they see, whether it be on tellies or any other social media source. They force you to make dishes that look tasty, mouth-watering and appealing to the eyes. Make a boundary line. Limit their intake on junk foods and expose them to a variety of healthy foods. Rewarding for eating and punishing for not eating is totally a wrong option. Keep fruits like apples, bananas or any seasoned fruits on the table. Cut them into small pieces when they demand. Dress up boring foods like chapatis. Wrap them with the curries you make because they look more appealing than the separate ones. Your child is not always sick. I have come across so many parents who say my kid's not well and we can see them playing. This "not well" slogan arrives when the mom touches her child's forehead and feels it warm. Some people say that their child's heartbeat is as fast as an express train. Dear mommies, your child is so active physically that its body is keeping up with those activities. Try checking for these symptoms when your child is spending some quiet time. But do not neglect them if they show some adverse effect on daily activities. Get a thermometer and check the fever. Consult a physician if your child is totally dull. If there are continuous cold or flu-like symptoms, do not ignore it. Neglecting on their dental hygiene. Your child is munching on too much sugars and sweets and you are neglecting their dental hygiene? This is totally bad. Lead the oral hygiene routine starting with you setting up as an example. They will rapidly become a part of your child's daily activities. When your child comes back after playing outdoor games, you remind them to take a bath or wash their hands and feet. Same is the case with dental hygiene. Brush their teeth and make them floss at least before going to bed, especially if they had milk or anything sweet before bedtime. Be a good example. As I said earlier, your child will follow healthy daily activities by imitating you. You sit in front of the TV and expect your child to go out and play? You are an up-to-date social media and expect them to socialize with the community? If you do simple routine exercises like a morning warm-up, your child will follow you. Go to the shops along with your child and encourage them to actively participate in shopping. Go for a swim or create a rainy day in your bathroom. Play a nice video and go for aerobics. Get them involved too. Show them the importance of gardening. Keep them physically active. If you eat healthy, your kids will too. Sit together and have food rather than putting on videos by handing the phone to your child. Show them the importance of family. And as I always say, talk, because you are the best. Kindly like, subscribe and comment. Take care, stay healthy, and I'll be seeing you in the next session. Bye.